Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hello, I'm your host, Mrs. M. And if you haven't, make sure you click the link below. That way you can subscribe to my channel and not miss out on anything you need to scale your cleaning business to six figures and beyond. How? Have you ever wanted to sell your commercial cleaning services on a platform where you don't have to do anything but put it and make it available, and actual people are coming to you on such a regular basis, you just really kind of just sit back and enjoy having so many people want your cleaning services? Wouldn't it be nice to be able to set something up, not spend a lot of money, and be able to have that kind of access to customers on a regular basis? And the key is without spending a lot of money. Well, there is that such platform that I'm going to talk to you about in 2 minutes, where you are going to love not having to do so much work, but having millions, and I mean millions of customers come to you without having to spend a whole lot of money to make that happen. You ready? You want to know what that is? Okay, here we go. Amazon.com. Amazon.com is just that service. You can actually sell your professional cleaning services. That's residential and commercial on Amazon.com. You can become a vendor to sell professional cleaning and residential services. It's amazing, right? I know. I didn't know that until I was actually working with a client and we were looking at a way that we could sell their services. And I remember seeing a while ago, a long time ago, that Amazon was talking about doing that. I knew that they were looking at doing home improvement and various other contracting services. But I did not realize how great it was to be able to sell your residential and your commercial professional services on Amazon. So I'm going to give you some of the steps that you need to do to get started. So the first thing you want to do is you're going to go into Amazon.com/program/professional services. That's Amazon.com/program/professional services. Once you get there, now depending on when you go, sometimes the applications are temporarily unavailable, but still click the little arrow that says learn more about providing services for Amazon. So click that little arrow, and what it's going to do is take you to the next steps. And the next steps are going to be that you're going to select a selling program. There is a individual and there's a business. I'm quite sure you're going to select the business selling program. So there's a piece of money that Amazon gets for you using their platform to sell your products. The next thing you're going to make sure you do is you want to choose what platform you want to use where you can add A+ content. The content is really important. So what I want you to do is take your time, look at the most popular words like SEO, think of it as search engine optimization, where people are going to find your services. So you only get like a little bit of space, a little bit of a paragraph, but put some A+ content on there so that way your services can be found. The next thing you want to do is make sure that you have a business email address, a contact for them to be able to reach you, your phone number. You absolutely need to have some way to verify your ID or who you are. So have your government ID. You want to have your tax information, and you want to have a bank account. They're going to send money to you when someone books your services. Now, what I noticed, a lot of people are also putting a QR code. So all someone has to do is scan that code, like we've seen in the restaurants, everyone's doing QR codes. Scan that code where it takes them exactly to either a part of Amazon where they're selling your services or to your website. So what you want to do, if you're not familiar with QR codes, go to canva.com, that's canva.com. They have so many templates there. Once you get there, you're going to go into the search and put in QR code. That's like, quarter Roger code. So Quebec, like the way we say in the military, Quebec, and then Roger code. And that's going to take you to the QR codes to set up a QR code where you can also put that inside of your content for Amazon. So I'm so excited. I want you guys to do that. I know I did a video on UPS, and I had so many people that ended up getting picked up with UPS. So this stuff definitely does work. Check it out. do your due diligence, get all the things you need. And like I said, sometimes there's so many people that get started, they put a temporary hold on the applications. But don't fret, just keep checking back again if that's the time frame. And I look forward to you guys finding out so many more things that you can do on my free masterclass workshop when it talks about what you need to do to scale your business to over 6 figures and beyond. Pow! Now, I know I've told you guys that before, but a recession is coming. If you haven't, just pay attention, look at the inflation and everything that's going on. So you want to make sure that you are set and not being surprised by any of your clients actually canceling their contracts with you. So some of the ways you can do that is learn how to make larger profits. That's more money in your business in layman terms, and get it going. And you can do that in 2 ways, either through commercial or through government. And I am so fortunate to be able to show you how to do both. So if you want to learn all about government, then join me for my masterclass on Wednesdays, the masterclass workshop. If you want to learn how to start, how to scale your business doing commercial contracts, then make sure you join me on Thursdays for my commercial all about scaling to 6 figures and beyond. So there's 2 ways you can do it, and there's 2 ways that I teach you how to do it. So I'd love to see you there. Space is limited because we do a lot of Q&A, and I want to have that time available to give everyone their due diligence with questions. I'd love to see you there. Just simply click in the description link below, and look forward to seeing you there. And until the next video, be safe and take care. Bye-bye.